Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to recharge your Goldrush balance and upgrade your account level to free to VIP 1, 2 or 3. So for this, first of all you need to go your Goldrush account. So now you click my account and then click my wallet. Now click recharge option and then you need to select TRC20. Here is TRC20 and then copy the recharge address. Here is recharge address. Copy this and then I go to a Binance account. Now you need to buy USDT from your local currency. For that you can go wallet option. So here is wallet option and then you need to go P2P option. So here is P2P option. Here is P2P. So you click P2P option and then you need to buy some USDT. For that you click buy button. So I'm going to buy button and now you need to select your local currency. So I'm Bangladeshi, so I'm select BDT. If you are Indian, you can search Indian rupee here and select this. It totally depends on you what's your local currency, so you can select this currency here and now you need to buy USDT. So for this you click the buy option. So I am a Bangladeshi, so now I select my local currency BDT and now I need to buy 24 USDT for level 1 upgrade. So click buy option and then select buy crypto and then type your amount. For USDT amount and your local currency amount is show below. Before buy USDT, you must read this seller terms and condition and which method they use for payment. So if you agree this payment method and terms and condition, then click buy option. So you need to verify your face. So click Bing verification and verify your face now. After complete your verification, they return you this page. So now you click buy button again. And then you click OK and now you click chat button in top of right corner. Then deal with this seller and pay this dollar fees in your local currency. After your payment done, the seller send you the USDT and you receive your USDT in this Binance account. If you face any problem to buy USDT from your local currency, just go to YouTube and search here. You can find millions of videos about this topic. Now I go back to my Binance account and you can see that here is 24 USDT that I buy now from my local currency BDT. Now you can transfer this USDT from P2P wallet to spot wallet. For this, click transfer option and now select P2P to spot wallet and then search USDT. Type your amount that you recharge, then click transfer. Now your balance is go to spot wallet from P2P wallet. Now you can click withdraw option. So click withdraw option, then select USDT. Now I paste recharge address that I copied from my Goldrush account. So I paste here and then I type 24 USDT. If you recharge 23 USDT, you need to recharge 24 USDT because $1 is fee. So click type 24 USDT and then click withdraw, then click confirm. And now you need to verify your SMS verification. Now click view history and now you can see this payment is under processing. So you wait 2 or 3 minutes for complete this payment. Now this payment is complete and click USDT. Now screenshot this page and copy this transaction ID because for recharge complete you need this screenshot, this page screenshot and transaction ID. So note this transaction ID is last 4 digit. You need to go your Goldrush account and then type 23 USDT that I recharge and then type transaction ID is last 4 digit here and then click submit button. This recharge submit complete. Now go back to my account. So this payment is now pending. Now you can see that this payment is complete. For complete this recharge, you can click the customer service option in this home page. You can see this customer service option and click here Now open a Telegram group, just click OK, and now you send 3 screenshots in this group. First screenshot is your Goldrush account details, and second screenshot the payment pending information, and third screenshot is your payment successfully complete that I screenshot before. Then they suggest me another Telegram group to send this voucher. So I will go to this group and send these 3 screenshot here again. And after I send this 3 screenshot, the administrator confirm this payment, and they add my account balance. So now you can see my account balance is 26.80 USDT. Now I need to recharge VIP 1. So just click LV1 and confirm. Now recharge successful, and now you can see that your identity and level 1. Now you earn $1 per day. So this way you can upgrade your account from your local currency.